Alright y'all, it's been a minute since we've seen this sneaker. 2006 to be exact. The Air Jordan 5 Olives. Such an iconic classic sneaker, bro. But guess what? Just like any other sneaker right now, it's sitting.
Why don't you have a seat? Go ahead and take a seat.
And it's below retail. Let's talk about it.
It's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. This is Technology, and today we're gonna talk about a classic that actually is going for under retail. And the sneaker community is just, I don't even know what to call the state, whether it's a state of emergency or what. I don't know what it is, man. But OG sneakers that would normally drop maybe like 5-10 years ago, that would have been through the roof, skyrocketing resale. They are affordable, and not only are they affordable, these things sitting, fam. And that's not a bad thing. Like, hey, salute. I'm glad that everybody's able to get them. But before we talk about this specific Jordan, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We are almost at 10K. I'm so excited. The fact that we're growing at such a good pace. And that's because each and every one of you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I am True. Thank you guys for stopping by. And if you are a recurring subscriber, salute to you guys. I am here today to give you guys yet another unboxing. With all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. Alright, so originally dropping back in 2006 or 2009. It's one of the two, man. I slept, you feel what I'm saying? But we have the Air Jordan 5 Olives. This shoe is extremely clean. This is a colorway that I'm not a 5 person. Like, I don't own many 5s, and the 5s that I do have are probably those that's going to be a little bit of hype behind it, or exclusive type joints, just because, you know, when you got opportunity to get those collabs and exclusive joints, those limited things, you just go for it anyway. But the Air Jordan 5 model, I just really don't mess with. But this is a colorway that I really like. But of course, before we get up into anything else, we gotta show you guys an up close and personal look at these things. We're gonna turn this camera around and take care of that. So as always, we're gonna start with this box. We have the Retro 5 box. Most of them have been coming in this box, but you have the Air Jordan Flight, because remember that these did drop back when they did that Take Flight pack. When they had the whole military theme with the Jordans back in the day, this is what that came from. So you have the Spickle Spackle on it, and then this one is a size 13. Air Jordan 5 Retro Army Olive Solar Orange. The retail was $210, I want to say. Open up this box. You have your quality control sticker right there. You have the paper, and I don't see a lot number in these things, so we gonna keep it moving. So that's the box. Now, when you look at these shoes are not a smooth material. I just want you guys to know that. It looks like more like a rough canvas, as you guys can see the texture in there. But it's not, it's durable. I will say that. This is going to be some durable material. So this time we're going to start with the boot of these things. Y'all see that orange Jumpman logo right there. Come around the shoes, you have that side panel that's just clear plastic. You have an orange air unit in them. You have the orange shark teeth with the Spickle Spackle on there. The toe box, like I said, the material is, let me show you guys. There's no really stroke motion on them. As you guys can see, it's like a nubuck. But like I said, it feels like a canvas. It's real rough. You just got to see it in person. And the green, this is actually picking up the quality of green. It is a light khaki green. It is not a dark hunter green. So as you go up the shoe, you do have your lace lock right here. As you guys can see right here, you got the orange peeping through with the Jumpman logo on there. It does say Nike on the lace lock. You have your, of course, your 3M tongue with your orange Jumpman logo on there. That Jumpman logo look good in that orange, boy, I'm telling you. And then going on the inner side of the shoe, the exact same thing right there. As we look at the bottom, Jordan on the bottom with the Jumpman logo, translucent bottom, that's gonna yellow ASAP. But I feel like this shoe with the yellow outsole would look actually very nice. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and take a look at the other one before we turn this camera around. You have the other one right here. Same exact sneaker. You got the Air Jordan 1 behind the tongue, orange sock liner. Don't come with any extra laces. You got the orange sock liner, the orange insole, and then you have the black Jumpman logo right there. So all in all, not a bad sneaker. You guys let me know down in the comment section. What are your thoughts and opinions? I feel like these would go hard with some orange laces just to offset all the green, but not a bad sneaker at all. We're gonna go ahead and turn around this camera and get into our own feet. Let's do it.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing a fresh new brand, following the dreams. Faith, hard work, and dedication is the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your wall when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man, it ain't trigonometry. You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you.
Alright, that's all I got for you guys. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. What are your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 5 Olives? Is this something that you're gonna reach back and grab, or is it just, you know what, it is what it is? Another retro dropping, and I'm gonna let this one ride. I'm gonna let people get it, want to get it for under retail. As a matter of fact, I really think that 210 should probably drop, because we're constantly seeing stuff sit on the shelves. Obvious that your average consumer is only gonna pay $180, $190 max, $200 depending on the sneaker for these sneakers. So why not just drop that retail? I'm just saying, man. But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes, they're just bait. Away from me to share my faith. I'll be good. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.